me to Avani and Avani to me. Now, I need you to stand still, okay? Go ahead, speak loudly so we can hear you. Go ahead.
Miss Thompson, this is my friend Avani.
And it's okay for you to make this gesture, okay? Keep still for me. Keep still. Keep still. Ready? Go ahead.
Miss Thompson, this is my
So you can do this. Mrs. Thompson, this is my friend Avani. Make this gesture for me. Do this. Do this. Yes. So when you're going to introduce me to Avani, you would do this. You would say, for example, here's what I do. I would say, Yaslin, this is my friend Avani. Avani, this is my friend Yaslin. Okay? Go ahead.
Avani, this is
So you would start with me. Mrs. Thompson.
Miss Thompson, this is my friend
Remember,
Avani.
do this. Do this. Mrs. Thompson.
Mrs. Thompson, this is my friend Avani.
Then,
Avani, this is my teacher, Miss Thompson.
good job. Now you're doing much better. Good. Now let's do it like really, really good because you're awesome. Ready? And remember this gesture, okay? And speak up so I can hear you. Go ahead.
Mrs. Thompson, this is my friend Avani. Avani, this is my teacher, Miss Thompson.
Good job. Woo!